Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add authorized users to your credit card on Citibank. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Citibank website. Right here is citi.com. If you're not already, this is the main URL that you want to open up. If you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Citibank application and open it up. So once you have done so, now we can get started. After logging in, the first thing we need to do is open up the home page. So by opening up the main website, you're going to log in. If you haven't already an account, you can go ahead and open an account. If you have one but need to activate it, you're going to click the activate button. So go ahead and log in successfully. So once you have done so with your account, now you're going to go and be greeted by the home page, which is going to be your dashboard where we can take a look at our balance, our payments due, and so on. And now we can get started managing our authorized users directly from the online section right here at Citibank. So how can we do so? Well, here we have an article in this instruction manual showing us how to add or remove authorized users. So basically guys, new authorized users can be added to your Citi Advantage business or other eligible Citi Advantage small business credit cards quickly and easily right here on the Citi website. Then you're going to log in just like I showed you, open up the Citi mobile app as I showed you, and then open up services. So you're going to find services right here in your dashboard menu once you have logged in, and under services you can go ahead and get started with adding authorized users to your cards. If you want, you can also contact the Citibank using the number on the back of your card, and then you can get started with using that option as well for adding authorized users. So you have two options presented to you. You can either call them or do it directly right here from your dashboard, but you can do so both ways. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.